Hello, this is Alex with Grow How. I'm here in American Fork. I'm along the river. This is one of the spots I love. Let's come along here. This is a native plant. This is squaw bush or skunk bush. It's a native sumac. If you look in here, you got some berries. Those can be used for a lemonade tasting drink. It's a little bit late in the season, but it's still got a few. If I were set up to collect, I could go home and make lemonade, substitute out of it. Look a bit further over here, and there's one of my beloved oaks. This is the native gamble oak, and it's in good shape. It's just right in here. Houses on the other side of this thicket here. Over here, got the asphalt path, I got the fence, and then I go just a little bit of river area. And if I keep going a little bit here, I come up to an Acer Nagunda, or box elder. Some people will call it a box ash, I think. Around here, you say box elder, nobody knows what you're talking about. And to me, it just feels right that we have these things planted here. Not that they were planted here, but they grew here. They were left here, or got moved here somehow. And I find a great deal of joy and happiness in that. If I come over here, it's even better. This is a choke cherry. Still got a few berries on it. Bitter as all get out, but was sweet. Makes a great syrup or jam. We should have areas like this in the city. We shouldn't have asphalt to asphalt, or even turf to turf, or turf to asphalt. We need areas where things that belonged here before man have got at least a little bit of chance. Something to think about. Hope you'll subscribe below. Think of some more trailside thoughts. Catch y'all later. Manana.